channel. For today's video, I am very excited to finally show you guys what I've made in baby's nursery room. Finally guys, I've finished doing it and I'm so excited to just show you the overall setup of it. A couple of things I've added in there, some baby essentials, baby stuff. So I'm gonna show you those as well. So on my last video, if you've seen it, and if you haven't, feel free to watch it. But yeah, the room was started by my mother-in-law, but right now you're gonna see I changed a bit of it, so I hope she won't get mad. I'm really excited to finally show you guys. So without further ado, we're gonna go in that room. Okay, let's just open the light. There you go. So here is baby's nursery room. So first you'll see this frame that I've made. I think I've showed you this one already. Before it was in there, but I changed it and I just put it in here on the side. And then there you have it guys, my hospital bag, hospital luggage, and baby's hospital bag or diaper bag, but it doesn't have anything in it yet. I haven't fixed that one yet. Baby's humidifier, and then some bath stuff, and then I bought this Dr. Brown bottle set, which has a sterilizer, or no, not sterilizer, like a milk warmer. I have here this cart with wheels. It's very convenient guys, because I could just push and pull it everywhere I go. I could bring it. So I do have a diaper caddy in here, wipes, and diapers, some of newborn diapers. And then I bought baby's soother or pacifier. Okay, it's a pacifier cover, and I got this free from my bump box. Just tissue, and then I bought Dr. Brown silicone breast pump, the Haka. This one, if you're a first-time mom and you're planning to do breastfeeding, so you need a Haka. You don't need right away a breast pump, since you never know if you'll have milk. You just need to buy a Haka milk catcher. So this one, a tiny bottle and a bag included as well. So baby has some Q-tips or swabs, and then some baby lotions, finger toothbrush for baby, haven't opened that one yet, and then some baby manicure and pedicure, like nails, manicure set. We have a crib. I'm very happy. I bought this one at Babies R Us, sponsored by my aunts. Frames, I just searched on Pinterest some beautiful sayings, and I just printed it out. And on this corner, still my rocking chair. You can put some things or probably toys inside. Mom made this lamp, and that's baby. That's her first ultrasound, and those ones. And in here, it's just a box full of some cords, and I bought this monitor video so I could just watch baby while probably I'm in the living room or in the room if she's asleep. A diaper genie or a diaper genie. So you just have to like press that with your foot, and you'll see I've already set that out. So you just put the diaper in there and it won't leave any smell. And if you wanna put out diaper, you'll just have to press this out, and there you'll see the plastic bag, and you can put that out. We don't have a curtain in this room, but we finally bought one, and this one is probably like somehow light gold curtain, and then white curtain rod, and then still the hanging plant that mom made, baby's changing table, and I do have a lot of diapers already, newborn diapers and wipes. So I got this too free. I just registered in Pampers and in in Huggies. So if you're a new mom and you wanted to take advantage of some free stuff, just register at Pampers and Huggies and you'll have free diapers and free wipes as well. Especially now that it's COVID and I can't go out, I can't really go shopping. So I thought of just subscribing at Walmart. Some stuff, some baby stuff, essentials that she needed, which are diapers and wipes. So right now I paused it because I don't think I need more for now, because I don't know what baby's size gonna be. So I just got like 2 boxes of newborn Huggies, and this I bought from Amazon, and it's just some storage for blankets, bathrobes, or towels. A hanging storage wherein you can put babies, more diapers in there, and then wipes. This is just a wipes dispenser, so you're just gonna push that one, and then as you can see, it dispenses wipes. So more diapers in there, and some disposable diaper, and then baby stuffy on the side. Baby has her book corner now. So Greg put this, and I'm very happy that he agreed in setting it up, because at first he doesn't want to, because he doesn't want to ruin the ceiling, but it wasn't ruined, so it's still intact and it's still fine. So yeah, I'm planning to put some chair, but like a couch inside, so baby can read inside or whatever she want to do in there. For now, I do have her feeding chair, baby's car seat. Baby can put her stuffy in there, whatever she wants. So it depends on her. And more wipes. As you can see, I don't know where to put that one, so I just put it on the side for now. The other wall, puny sticker, a wall sticker. It can be removed and it won't damage the walls. Wall stickers that I bought at Walmart, and then baby's bookshelf. So before I was telling you guys that we're gonna build baby's bookshelf, but we don't have time anymore. Greg's always at work, so I just made that one as baby's bookshelf. So I guess that's okay, right? And baby has a lot of books somehow, and more storages or boxes to fill in. Baby's toy, and then the carpet here in the middle. Travel system stroller, and this can be a bassinet as well. For first-time moms, just get a travel system stroller instead of getting a car seat and a stroller separately. You will be saving a lot of money. My tita Ina painted this. So pretty. It says Ina Tavas. So for my clipboard, I'm just gonna probably print some notes that I need to be reminded of. Just mirrors. Baby's closet. So this one, You Are So Loved, is a poster given by my sister-in-law. And then there you have it. That's baby's small closet. It's not that spacious, as you can see. That's why I bought those storage or those containers. This basket, it's just full of hangers like this that I don't need for now. And that Goodnight My Love box, it's just full of discount coupons, baby coupons that I'll probably need in the future. I got it all sorted out for months to months, 0 to 3 months, 3 to 6, and so on and so forth. And then baby's clothes, these are all washed. I printed some labels, some burp clothes, baby burp clothes, and then these are baby's swaddles and sleepers. I do have a lot of more sleepers or onesies in there, but yeah, it's just not enough in that, so I have to put it on the other drawer. And then baby bibs, I know I needed more, but just for now I have enough, I think. and then socks and accessories. I'm planning to add more headbands for baby. So, I don't know. We'll see. And then hats, bath items, which are the bath cloths, and some swimsuit and bath towel, some onesies, white onesies, colored onesies, decorated onesies, all onesies all together. And then here are the pants. Oops. Uh-oh. Here are the pants and shorts that baby has. Costume for babies for photo shoot that I've received. And then in the last, the very bottom is just a towel, and then more onesies, but those are older age onesies, like 6 to 12 months onesies, and some shoes. Finally put up the mattress, baby cribs mattress. The mattress was delivered here yesterday and I got it all set up. This is the baby mattress, and at the back of it, it's the toddler mattress. So you could just flip it and that's gonna be the toddler mattress, because this one is firmer than the toddler mattress. Sheet from Babies R Us. It's a complete set already, and it's really nice, as you can see. And I got it at a cheap deal as well, so I'm very happy. And in here, this is our bedroom. So you can see there's a lot of stuff going on in here. Finished setting up baby's little corner, her bassinet in there, all set up. So that is baby's room, and it's very quick, guys. So again, thank you so much for tuning, and I'm really hoping that I'll see you again on my next video. So stay safe, guys, and that's the end of this video, and I'll see you on my next one. God bless you all, guys. Bye.